Okay, video vlog check everyone. So I'm still using the Gopro Hero 7 Black action camera. I got this from Camera House. So kung gusto nyo bumili ng GoPro Hero 7 Black na bago, go to Camera House branches nationwide para sa inyong mga camera and also GoPro gears and camera. So yun. So I'm doing a video vlog test, a video test for B-roll. Itong tatawag nilang GoPro Timewarp. It's a time-lapse setting na using a Timewarp, kumbaga auto edit na siya para mangyari. So okay siya for B-roll, for creating more scenes for your vlog. So paano siya i-activate? Just go to your video mode and then swipe mo yun to the right, go to time-lapse. Sa lower right, so sa lower left corner may option doon na parang pindutin nyo at select nyo yung Timewarp. And now you can shoot video Timewarp mode para sa mga fast time-lapse na super stabilized. So ito yung sample natin, panoorin nyo and then sabihin nyo kung talagang panalo to for your pambirol na mga vlog nyo. So yun yung time warp ng GoPro Hero 7 Black. So sana nagustuhan nyo yung aking presentation for today. So napakaganda ng feature niya. So if you want to own your own GoPro Hero 7 Black, just go to Camera House store, any branches nationwide, para makabili na kayo doon ng inyong GoPro. So next test natin is yung stabilization niya. Action camera, action scenes tayo. So on Sunday mag-skateboard ako. I'll show you around sa village namin. So thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you at the next video vlog adventure. Also vlog test, travel, food, lifestyle. Yan. Si Aaron, no?
Subscribe.